category. For the fifth placer, the fifth placer of the Excelsa and Liberica category for this year's CCQC, garnering a top score of 82.25. Is from the province of Batangas, Mr. Arnold D. Balbataan from the Samahan ng Magkakape sa Lipa, Batangas. Congratulations, sir. So the fifth placer will receive a certificate of recognition and a cash prize of 3,000 pesos as well as the roasted coffee beans. Congratulations po. Now for the fourth place, who will receive 5,000 pesos. The fourth place for the Excelsa Liberica category garners a top score of 82.61. It's from the province of Cavite. Congratulations, Carlo A. Sanz from Panoyan Food Products, Mendez, Cavite. Once again, congratulations po. Now, for the third place for the Excelsa and Liberica category, who will be receiving 7,000 pesos, garners a top score of 83.0. Congratulations! From the province of Quezon, Emilio M. Becker from the Pinagdandayan Multipurpose Cooperative. Now, for the second place, who will be receiving 8,000 pesos. The second place for the Excelsa and Liberica category for this year's CCQC, garnering a top score of 83.25. Is from the province of Batangas. Congratulations to Mr. Arnold D. Balbataan from the Samahan ng Magkakape sa Lipa, Batangas. Okay, dadako na po tayo sa awarding of the champion for the Excelsa and Liberica category. The champion will receive 10,000 pesos of cash prize, a certificate of recognition, and the roasted coffee bean winning entry. Ready na po? The champion for the Excelsa and Liberica category for this year's Calabarzon Coffee Quality Competition, garnering a top score of 83.79. Is from the province of Quezon. Congratulations, Mr. Rita Donadio from the Adarna Agriculture Cooperative. Dito po sa side po ng stage.